Okay, so that's the opening of On the Hunt by LYNYRD SKYNYRD. We're going to start out with this B power chord, 2-4-4, starting on the A string going down. So we got. Now this part I use my ring finger, 2 to 5 on the A, 4 on the D, 5 to 4 slide on the A, go to an A note there. So we got 3, 4. We're going to do a little bendy thing, a little half step on that big 4 to the open. And it has like a little pickup note, the E there. And you can also do a muted hit after the B chord, so it's like. And then we have a fill that goes. So that's a bend on the 4th fret of the G string, and you pull off to the 2nd string. Hit the 4 again and slide it up. Now there's a harmony part with that. It's going to go a half step on the 7th fret of the 2nd string. So it goes bend up and down to the 5, slide the 7 up. So once again from the top, we got 3, 4. With the. Let me keep going. So later after that, you have 2 bends in the beginning. Other than that, it's the same stuff. Okay, so that's the intro rhythm and the verse rhythm. So the intro is like 4 times, and then the verse is 3 times. The 4th time of the verse is going to go. So at the end of that, slide into the big 5, pull off the 4 to open. So it's like. Gets us into the chorus here. Okay, so that first rhythm goes a long time. But here we have an E power chord. You could hit the big open with it. B. Sometimes it'll kind of slide the B up, and the D that we're going to do here is going to include that A note. So we have 5, 5, 7, 7 to make it sound bigger. We got an A, then we go. So A, C sharp to B there. You can do your E down there if you want, just mute the G string, or up here. And they've got a little vibrato on these chords. Sometimes they've got a. They'll hit the whammy bar one time before a new chord, so it'll be like. So that one's going to end with A twice, A, G, a little bend on that big 3 there. And then we're back into F. Okay, so we have a little short lead here. We got a bend on that 9 on the G. Little 7 to 2nd string 7. 10 into 12 in the 2nd. Okay, so we got. Okay, so that lead once again, we got. Hold that 12. You got 2 big bends, 1.5 step bends. Kind of goes up again for the next one, and there's like 3 on that time. So it's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Go 10, 12 there. Little quarter step bend on that 10 down there. And then 2 bends on this little 12. And then end with a quick little 10 to 12 in the 2nd. And you're back into. Now there's one thing on the 2nd time through these verses. You can take that 5-4 up into that 7 and then go do a 5-4 on the way down to a new one. So it's. chorus, you got that 5-4-0. E to B. D with the A bass. A. Okay, now we're getting into Gary Rossington's big lead here. So we can have 2 bends on that 4. Pull off to the 2. Up and down, hold it, go. Okay, so we had 4 to 7, 7-9, bend the 9, then the 12, then the 14. Okay, so we bent the 9, the 12, and the 14 all in kind of one little motion there. Okay, so that's how the beginning of the lead gets going. So we had, and he's always getting like some cool feedback and stuff. 4-7, 7-9. We're gonna bend that 9, 12, 14. Now this one's interesting. We're gonna hit the 15 on the second, bend the 17 up, and hit the 17s below it. We're gonna hit a 17 and then 2 19s. So you could do it a couple different ways. So you could have the middle finger. Gary does a lot of middle finger bending. You use the 3rd finger underneath it and then have your pinky free. Comes down off of that one. You got some bends on the 17 there. Now you could also just go move your pinky up and use it for both. Kind of go down with that bend to the 15. 2 bends on the 17, and then a downward. You got a 15 on the second, big bend on the 16. So we got that was 14 and 16 twice. Got 15 to the 16, slide down. Got the 9 bend on the G. A couple times, pull off. 9-7 to 9 on the D. And then bend this 9. So we had 9-7-9 a couple times. Little 7s on the G and B, little half step kind of bend. Slide into the 11 with the middle finger and hit the 10s underneath it. So just 1 11 and back and forth on the 10s. Hammer into that 12. So this is gonna go. So we had a 12, hammer in, pull off. 2 big bends, 10, 12, 10, 12, slide that one down, bend the 17 on the second a couple times, pull off 15, 16, 14, so we got 7, 7 to the 9 and back, kind of put a chord in there a little bit before the last one. This is bend on the G. 7, 7 on the second, 10, 7 to 7, bend that 10 up on the second. We're going to end with a downward on the 10, or an up and down. Pull off, do a little 9 over here, pull off, 9 on the D and back. So we got Okay, so it ends with. Now we have a. So 7 to 10, hammer. Got that 9 on the G over to the 7 there. 7 9, 7 9. Got that 9 7 5. You can hit this big 7 here. Kind of slide into the 9 on the D. 11 10 9, kind of a pull off there. Okay, so we got. Now we get into this killer Gary riff. Okay, so we're bending the 9. We hit the little 10, and then we go down and up on that bend. You kind of hit the 10, 10, 9, 10, 10. And then we're going to go up to the 11, do the same stuff. Okay, so we do that a little bit. We can slide into the 11, 14, 16. Okay, so we had the. 15, 17, down to that 16, little 17, 3 downwards, same thing with that 15 and big 16 bend, 14, 16, 16, and then kind of slide down and come from the 2 here in the G, into that 7, 7, 6, 6, 4, 4, 2, so. Okay, you're back in the verse. Okay, so let's talk about some other things that happen. We have an outro here coming up. It's going to go E to B, D to A. And then we do a little 4-2 on that A string. And then we go. We chug on that A, hit the 4-2. Okay, so we have a go to the B. So everything's kind of a little ahead of the beat, kind of like thing, like. End with that 4-2 again. So 2, 3, and. There's also a riff that's going. we got 4 on the G with a little open on the E. Down to 2. Up to 7. 4. 2. D. Chug the A. And that sets up the last lead. So the last lead is like. Okay, so we get into that same kind of bendy riff, but we kind of start out with a slide up from 6 to 11. 2 bends. Got the 9 and 11 there. So we go up to the 13 and back. A couple 11s, use a 9 and 7 there. So we got. So 9, 7, 9, 11. Got that 12 below it. Pull off to the 9 up and down. Go to that D string. Then you have a hammer on pull off. Down to 7. Into the riff. Fades out on that. Okay, On the Hunt, Lynyrd Skynyrd. Hope you dug that. 3 pages of tabs. We'll talk to y'all soon.